staying up. That's the boys right there.
At ShopRite, we save you big here, in-store and online, with our Memorial Day locked-in prices, featuring more items, more variety, and more value. Start off your summer savings with new locked-in prices on thousands of items, like Bowl and Basket Stir Fry $1.99 and Bowl and Basket Beans 79 cents, both with your Price Plus card, excluding Brooklyn, Bronx, and Queens. And Haas avocados are only 99 cents with your Price Plus card. Check ShopRite.com or the ShopRite app for even more locked-in prices, only at ShopRite. We are here.
With the American Express Platinum Card, you can access over $3,500 in value with benefits and eligible purchases across travel, entertainment, and more. There's nothing like Platinum. Learn more at americanexpress.com/store-platinum. Enrollment requirements, monthly and other restrictions apply.
What would you do if your online store converted 36% more shoppers? You could take 36% more vacation.
Another unit block.
Yes, please. Open a new retail location with 36% more square feet.
Fantastic.
Hire 36% more help.
You're hired and you're hired.
Shopify has the world's best converting checkout, up to 36% better than other e-commerce platforms. With 2 days extra sales.
Yeah, geek real quick chat.
At shopify.com/setup. Get a $1 trial. Shopify.com/setup.
Stuff on, let me ask this. Ain't nobody talking to you, go to sleep. I'm not laughing at you. It wasn't me, it's the Honda. Wait.
Suga pa niya iya.
Eight deep in any house, now we're closed that I can't pronounce. I be with them seeds, they camp and clap me right outside your house. I like getting money, busy serving, throwing hand to hand. Got so many bees in different areas like Candyman. We got all these buttons on our tools like the handyman. We gon' flip until we hit this shit. That's what baby said. History, I can't tell a soul what me and Beezy did. Every time you go, shit, me and a bitch don't care what he just did. Sonny Goon, jump over that yurt, the back of BBL. Once we get that call, we hit the road, like we got CDLs. What the fuck? Fave, you broke my heart. Why would he just tell? Paramedics found him, they said his face connected to the ground. And if I was you, I'd stop driving this. Clearly it's bad luck. How many more niggas gotta die for you to get enough? We overcooked them every time we bump. I like my steak rough. Supposed to go to work, it's not a job, he just takes stuff. A dub on your tie, they said he posted. Walk him in the park, he couldn't close his mouth, went to his house and walked him in the dark. How the fuck that nigga get parked before you get the park? That's a nigga coming out of work, we push him to his car.
Hey, Bree. Stop fucking playing with me, dude. Stop playing with me, dude. Stop playing with me, dude. I'll be get the park before he get the park. Push a nigga out of work and push him to his park. We just look at the passenger seat, she moving like a shark. We in Infiniti, it's a G37, this bitch is shark.
Eight deep in any house, now we're closed that I can't pronounce. I be with with them seeds, they can't be clear, be right outside your house. I like getting money, busy serving, doing hand in hand. Got so many bees in different areas like Candyman. We got all these buttons on our tools like your handyman. We gon' flip until we hit this shit. That's what baby said. History.